Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best camping lights, the Balder camping light. Stay with us as we explore its amazing features, pros, cons, and more. Let's get started. Product features. High-powered illumination. The Balder camping light comes with 63 high-brightness LED beads, delivering 50 watts of strong light. Perfect for outdoor adventures, it ensures wide-area illumination, keeping your campsite bright and safe even in complete darkness. Multiple lighting modes. This light has 4 versatile modes: natural light, white light, warm light, and a red flashing warning light. Whether reading inside a tent or signaling for help, these modes make it suitable for all camping scenarios. Long battery life. Equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, the Balder camping light lasts up to 10 nights on a full charge. Each use provides approximately 8 hours of continuous illumination, making it reliable for overnight outdoor trips. Power bank functionality. The Balder light doubles as a power bank. Its built-in 4000 milliamp battery can charge smartphones and other small devices, adding convenience to your outdoor adventures without needing an extra charger. Portable and safe design. Lightweight and easy to carry, this camping light features a safe, large-capacity polymer battery. Its design prioritizes safety and portability, ensuring you can move it around your campsite effortlessly. Pros. Bright 50-watt output for excellent visibility, versatile lighting modes, long-lasting battery, doubles as a power bank, lightweight and safe design. Perfect for camping, hiking, and emergencies. Cons. Limited to small device charging, slightly larger than pocket-sized lights, and may not be enough for very large outdoor areas. Still, its features outweigh these minor drawbacks. Final thoughts. The Balder camping light is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Powerful illumination, versatile modes, long battery life, and power bank functionality make it practical and reliable, ideal for camping, hiking, or emergencies. Stay bright and safe with the Balder camping light. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video to never miss amazing gadgets and camping essentials.